Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by finding the actual data files so you can copy them safely. First, close the Sticky Notes app. This prevents corruption when you read files. Open File Explorer and paste the local app data path shown on screen to jump directly to the folder. Once there, identify settings. DAT and Plum. SQLite, these hold configuration and note content. Make a copy of both files to a backup folder on an external drive or cloud sync. Doing this preserves full note text and sync metadata. Next, choose how to store those copies so you can restore later. Copy the files into a dated folder on an external drive or upload to a cloud folder. Name folders clearly for versions. If you use a Microsoft account, make sure sync is active. You can also export via Outlook. Sync for an online copy. For ongoing protection, set file history or a third-party backup tool to include the local state path. Doing this automates future backups and reduces manual errors. Finally, restore by closing Sticky Notes, replacing the target files in the local state folder, and then reopening the app. Make sure file permissions match the originals. Once done, sign into your Microsoft account and enable sync to reconcile any cloud-backed content. If notes still don't appear, check for corrupted files. Use file history or your cloud copy's previous versions to recover an earlier working file. If corruption persists, import content manually from a text export as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.